Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to share your Google Calendar with others. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar web application. That's because you cannot share your Google Calendar with others using the mobile application. You can only do that using the web application. So how do you get into Google Calendar? Just launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Google Calendar or calendar.google.com, and after doing that, it's going to take you right into the calendar window. Now, signing up is hassle free because Google Calendar is already integrated into your Google account. So as far as you have your Google account already set up and activated in your system or in your desktop, signing in is just going to be, you're going to get an automatic account created for you. So after signing, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Google Calendar. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to share your Google Calendar with others. So over here, head over to the left navigation panel where you have my calendars and all calendars. So go ahead and click on your calendar. So select the calendar that you want to share. So this is Tree Amanda Mac and a birthday and this tag. So let's say this is the calendar I want to share, and just hover your cursor over the calendar and click on this three dots menu here. And now you have display this only, you have settings and sharing. Go ahead and click on settings and sharing, and it's going to take you to this window. So go back to the left navigation panel where you have the calendar settings, access permissions for events, share with specific people or groups. So click on that and it's going to take you to the category that has share with specific people or groups. Now go ahead and click on add people and groups. So now you can add the email or the name of the person that you want to add. You can also give permissions, so this person can only see all, only free or busy days, or see all event details, make changes to events, make changes and manage sharing. So just go ahead and set your permissions, and after doing that, go ahead and click on send. And after clicking on send, that is going to be pretty much it. The person will be able to have access to your calendar. So you can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.